In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to connect to BigQuery from Python. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a professional looking to streamline your data processes, this guide will make it simple for you to establish that connection and start interacting with your data seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get you set up. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Google Cloud console. This is your control center where you can manage all your Google Cloud resources, including BigQuery. Once you're logged in, navigate to the IAM and admin section, and from there, go to Service Accounts. Service accounts are crucial because they enable your application to authenticate with Google Cloud services. Now, you need to create a new service account. This will serve as the identity that your Python application will use to interact with BigQuery. When creating this service account, make sure to assign it the BigQuery data editor and BigQuery job user roles. These roles are essential as they grant the necessary permissions for reading data and running jobs within BigQuery. After setting up your service account, the next step is to generate a JSON key for it. This key is a vital piece of the puzzle as it allows your Python code to authenticate with Google Cloud. Once you've generated the key, download it to your computer. Keep this file secure as it contains sensitive information that you'll need shortly. With your JSON key in hand, the next step involves setting an environment variable in your terminal. This environment variable tells your operating system where to find the JSON key file, which is crucial for authentication. Open your terminal and set the environment variable by using a command that points to the file path of your downloaded JSON key. This step ensures that your Python code can access the credentials it needs to connect to BigQuery. Now, it's time to write some Python code. Create a new Python file. You might name it something like query.bq.py. In this file, you'll write the code to connect to BigQuery and fetch data. You can use the Google Cloud Python client library to simplify this process. This library provides convenient methods for interacting with BigQuery and handling data efficiently. Here's a basic outline of what your code might look like. First, import the necessary libraries and set up authentication using the JSON key. Then, establish a connection to your BigQuery project and dataset. Once connected, you can write a query to fetch the data you need. Finally, run the query and save the results to a format of your choice, such as a CSV file or a pandas data frame, for further analysis. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect to BigQuery from Python. With these steps, you've set up a secure connection, allowing you to access and manipulate your data with ease. Remember, once you have the connection established, you can start exploring the vast possibilities that BigQuery offers for data analysis and insights. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to connect to BigQuery from Python. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Happy data querying, and see you in the next tutorial.